Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer closing paperwork using Simplifile easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have an active Simplifile account. Navigate to the Simplifile login page using your preferred web browser. Enter your username and password, then click the login button. Once logged in, locate the closing section from the main dashboard. Click on the Transfer Closing option to initiate the process. Select the transaction you wish to transfer from the list provided. Review the closing details to ensure everything is accurate. Next, click on the Transfer button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's email address. Input the recipient's email address carefully to avoid any errors. Add a message if desired to provide context for the transfer. After entering all necessary information, click on Send Transfer. A confirmation message will appear, confirming the transfer has been initiated. Notify the recipient to check their email for the transfer notification. Once they receive the email, they can access the closing paperwork easily. Ensure that you keep a record of the transfer for your records. If any issues arise, contact Simplifile support for assistance. Follow these steps carefully for a smooth transfer experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.